What is the service that your company are offering?
The service our company is offering is online homework assistant, where you can get help whenever you need it. The teachers in the companies is expert for certain subjects, and they're looking forward to begin and help the ones who need it.
What is it about your service that is unique?
That we provide 24/7 service because many students have a tight schedule, so they do not always have the time to do homework at daytime. Therefore, with our service, they can also get help at night.
What is the pros and cons for your service?
The pros are 24/7 availability, expert teachers, low cost, loads of subjects, and the cons are none.
Why should we choose you instead of one of your competitors?
Because a company offering better and longer service than our competitors, and there will always be time for you.
What does the future look like for your homework assistant?
As one of our competitors said, there's an estimated 1% of all elementary students that receive supplementary tuition in Denmark. We expect this to be at around 10 to 15% in 5 to 10 years from now. And that was Niklas Kane, CEO of Mentor Denmark and former teacher. We believe this is the future that we believe in as well. We look at the current data and the current need for homework assistance and can therefore predict a healthy future for this industry.
And what does the future look like for your company?
We strive to be one of the leading companies in the industry, claiming a spot in the top 3 with our 24/7 service, having teachers who are expert in their subjects.